Okay, today we're going to figure out how to fix my HP Pavilion 520C computer, which gave out on me with Kayla's assistance. Kayla, hand me the pry bar. We've got to get the cover off. Okay. There's that. Alright. Well, this doesn't look too complicated. I don't understand why people think these things are so hard to work on. Hand me the small clippers. Wait a minute. Give me the bigger clippers. Those aren't going to work. Alright, these will work. Yeah, I think that did it. Little adjustment now. I need the small hammer. Yeah, that's small enough. Whoops, that's not supposed to go there. Wait. Yeah, this isn't too hard. I could work for Best Buy. Probably shouldn't have said that. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Let me put that piece back on there. Yeah, thank you. Whoops. Didn't mean to do that. Okay, I better fix it. I need something that I can cut with. So, just make a little notch in it. Yeah, that'll work. I think this thing's going to work great when we're done. I don't know why I needed all this tech support. This is simple. Okay, one more clip. And quick little tap. Alright, one more tap. It's starting to look good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can I have the panel back and we'll put her back together? I think this thing's going to work great. Okay. Now we're ready to plug it in, hook it up, and I think we'll be back on the internet with this puppy. Okay? Okay, we've done all the repairs we can to it. We've got the panel back on. We used regular household tools, just like I said we were going to. It's all hooked up in the back now, and we're ready to turn it on. So let's see if we got power up on this thing. Crap. Hey, Kayla, I think we blew a fuse. Would you check it out for me?
Okay, Dad.
The switch. That's not exactly the power up I was expecting. Dude, we're getting a Mac.